I tried this once before, but I got cut off because I didn't have these batteries for the controller. Hi, Judd here. A friend sent me a present, and what it is this Hubsan X4 drone with an HD camera. So we're going to unpack this and take a look at it and see what we got. Instruction manual, an extra set of prop blades. From what I've heard about droning, you'd need those. And then in here we've got the drone and the controller. A 16 gig micro SD card for it and a spare battery. So I'm going to go plug in the battery to get it some charge. I've got it plugged in there and you see the red light on the plug and that tells me it needs a charge. There's the battery down there. Oh, I got another set of wings in here too. So I've got two extra sets of wings and a little tool to change them with, apparently, I would guess. Okay, so there's the little drone. It's an adorable little thing. It's actually a bit heavier than I thought. And in the back here, I guess that's where your battery goes. And there's where your micro SD card goes in there. I wonder if this needs batteries. Yep, this needs batteries, so I'm going to have to get some AAA's for that. I think I got some of them in the other room. Okay, been a couple hours and you see the red light has gone out. The battery is charged. A little extension thing to plug it into to charge it. Okay. So part of the white stays on the black. And that has to plug in here somewhere. That's the camera. See the little dot up front there? Oh, that looks like a... Oh! Ha! How many of you saw that before I did? There it is, right there. Okay. That just plugs into there. Look at that. Whoop! We got power. Okay. And we got lights. And this goes in to here. Come on, get in there. Okay, there we go. Okay, and you got lights, which tells me I got power. Okay. Now we're going to get that card out. Micro SD, little tiny card. Okay. And I don't know which way it goes, but we'll try one way and then the other. Okay, I got it clicked. Okay, so that's that. Now, our controller and 4 batteries. Okay, and on. Okay, and I'm getting nothing. Alright, so I think the battery is dead, so that's kind of a bust for this whole thing. I gave it a shot. We'll give it another shot some other time. We'll unplug it for now. So there you go. As far as we go. Here's our baby. Come on out of here. There we go. Okay, there's our little Hubsan. Okay, and the battery's in there. Make the connection. Is that the connector? Yep. Oh, look at that. We got power. I got to put the batteries in the controller. Boom. There we go. 4 AAA's. Boom. Replace cover. Okay. Quick start, I hope. Important notice. Before doing the accelerometer calibration, please make sure that the propeller's motor and are in good condition with the battery fully charged. Ensure that the battery and the cables inserted in the battery compartment correctly. See the picture. Please don't move any joystick or anything else between a matching code. Enter the expert mode to do this calibration. After turning on the TX and the X4 and they bind, set the aileron and blah. Okay, so I gotta turn this on. On, okay. On. 98. That's in the middle. That's in the middle. Okay, and it's at 50. That looks pretty good. Okay, so it's at 50. And I didn't adjust anything, it just went there. Okay, hold the throttle stick. I don't know which one's the throttle stick. Okay, hold the throttle stick to the full down position, and boom, 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 boom. Woo! Oh shit! Oh shit, baby. Okay, I didn't. Oh, whoa, whoa, dude, chill out, chill out. Okay, we're flying. Okay, that's throttle. Okay. We got a forward and backwards on this thing. Oh, there we go. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Well, it's flying. And it is sensitive. Ah. Okay, now I know why they give you so many wings, because boy, it is baby sensitive. Okay, so there we go. Oh, how do I turn the camera on? I gotta find out how to turn the camera on. Okay, she's recording. We're recording. Hello. Oh, hello. We're recording. And I just want to see how good the quality on this is. And now we will try to fly. Ha! Whoa, stop. Okay, this has got the most delicate damn touch I've ever seen in anything. And my buddy right now is going very happy because I pick on him for his lousy flying all the time. Oh. Ugh. And I've lost the wing. Okay. So there you go. There's my unboxing and initial test flight and first broken propeller. I was fetching the propeller, which ended up about 10 feet down the room, and I knocked this over on the way back, coming back, and look what I found, the propeller protector. I'm going to put the propeller guard on. Okay, it dawned on me, some of you might want to see this. I got to put the propeller guard on. Got this nifty little propeller removing tool. Okay, that's how you get the blades off, because some of them are really tight. Plus the one that fell off, it didn't break. The one that fell off came off real easily. This other white on the white side is a bitch. It does not want to come off. Maybe I bent the shaft in one of my crashes. Whoop, there we go. Okay, it's off. And my blue blades go where the wires are. Okay. Also, I took the power off before I stopped the video recording, which means I lost the video recording. So the video of my first flight is forever gone. Okay, and these things press down over the silver thingies. Firm press on those. Yeah. They go right on down. They don't completely cover it, but they cover a good hunk of it. Okay. Now blue and white props are very, very important. They've got to be in the right place. Okay, so blue props are at the wire end on mine. So there are. Okay, good. These are pressing firmly into place. Good. Okay. Shall we try it again? Okay. Power up, or plug it in. I don't know about that tucking the thing in. Okay, and turn on the little tiny button right to the side of that card. It's actually hard to press. I gotta use my fingernail to press it. There we go, and a little red light comes on, and that tells me it is now recording. Hello. Okay, and switch this on. Okay, we go down, we go wiggle, 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 wiggle. Whoa, shoot. Oh, okay, something's wrong because it don't want to take off. Maybe there's a left and right blade? Let's see. Yeah. Okay, so apparently the white and blue have left and right also. So if that's the case, I had a 50-50 shot and I got it right on the blues. Woo! Okay, yep. Wow, so there's a left and right on those blades also. I don't know how to turn this thing around. Oh, I'll just fly it back to me. Woo-hoo! Yep, I got all my blades. Whoop! Woo! Okay, there endeth the lesson. That was interesting. I think I'm going to have to read directions more. There's got to be a point where I can get it to be up in the air and not moving. So I got to figure out how to do that. I'm sure it's in the directions somewhere, but you know, I'm a guy. But I'm going to end it off there for now. The thing has been unboxed. It's been powered up. I have flown it. Okay. You know who I'm talking to. And I think I'm better at pulling roots. So I can't wait to see the video off of it, see how good it is, if it's any good, you know, if it's something I can use, but you can't aim it, it's hard to aim, so I don't know, we'll see. Oh God, this could run into thousands of dollars when I have to buy the super special drone. Okay, happy day to you.